Regular exam, Tiruvan University 2080, Bachelor level, 4 years, Science and Technology, BSc 3rd year, Research Methodology 305, compulsory subject. Question paper, time 3 hours, new course, full marks 100. Here are given 12 question and attempt any 10 question. Each question has mark 10 and total marks of this paper is 100. Question number 1. Define research. Explain the chief characteristics of scientific research. Question number 2. Define research problem. Explain the ways of selecting a meaningful research problem. Also describe the method of problem identification. Question number 3. What are the methods of data collection for the purpose of research? Discuss the ways of data collecting activity by schedule. Also describe different types of schedule. Question number 4. What is sampling? Discuss the needs of sampling for research work. A statistics practitioner would like to estimate a population mean within 15 units. The confidence level has been set by 99% and the population standard deviation equal to 174. Determine sample size. Question number 5. What are the method of reducing non-response rate? Discuss the method of random response technique with an example. Question number 6. Differentiate between descriptive and inferential statistics. Define the term standard error. Question number 7. Define the term reliability and validity. A test is supplied to a population of large size. The mean score is obtained as 75 with the standard deviation is 12. The reliability coefficient of the test is found to be 0.9 if an individual X obtains a score of 60 on a test. What is his true score? Also estimate 95% confidence interval of the true score. Question number 8. What is a score? How can a score be transformed to a percentile score? In a test, 6 individuals A, B, C, D, E and F scored the ranks 5, 2, 1, 6, 3, 4 respectively. Find the percentile rank of B and E. Question number 9. What is case study and how this method helps in research works? Explain. Question number 10. What is research report? Explain various steps required to follow in preparation of a final research report. Question number 11. What do you understand by review of literature? Discuss the importance of literature review in research. Question number 12. What is a thesis? Discuss the step in thesis writing. Compose a format of the documentation of the topics in a thesis. Whole course, full marks 80, and here are given 10 question and attempt any 8 question. Each question has mark 10 and total marks of this whole course is 80. And read carefully all questions and attempt any 8 questions. बेसी फर्स्ट इयरदेखि फोर्थ इयरसम्मका जुनसुकै विषयका प्रश्नपत्रहरू चाहिएमा वी लर्न टुगेदर 1M को प्लेलिस्ट बेसी मेटेरियल एन्ड क्वेसन पेपरमा गई खोज्नुहोला र ती क्वेसनको हेल्पै प्रिपेरेसन राम्रो गरी एक्जाम राम्रो गर्नुहोला। वी लर्न टुगेदर 1M भित्रका सम्पूर्ण भिडियोलाई लाइक, कमेन्ट, सब्सक्राइब र सेयर गर्न नभुल्नुहोला। धन्यवाद।